1. Brain power. The human brain contains 86 billion neurons, making it faster than a supercomputer. 2. Blood circulation. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day and pumps 7,200 liters of blood. 3. Number of bones. At birth, your body has 300 bones, but as an adult, this number reduces to 206. 4. Hair growth. Your hair grows approximately 0.3 to 0.5 millimeters per day. 5. Muscle strength. The human tongue has 8 muscles and is the most flexible muscle in the body. 6. Skin renewal. Your skin completely renews itself every 28 days. 7. Blood types. There are 4 types of blood groups worldwide: A, B, AB, and O. 8. Heartbeat. Did you know? Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. 9. Brain power. The brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, making it the most powerful computer. 10. Blood vessels. If all our blood vessels were connected end to end, they would be about 100,000 kilometers long. 11. Eyesight power. The human eye can recognize more than 10 million colors. 12. Skin weight. The average person's skin weighs about 3.6 kilograms. 13. Bone marrow production. Your bone marrow produces about 200 billion red blood cells every day. 14. Heartbeat. A healthy person's heart beats about 100,000 times a day. 15. Brain power. Our brain consumes 20 watts of power, equivalent to a small light bulb. 16. Bone count. At birth, our body has 270 bones, which fuse to 206 as we age. 17. Skin renewal. Every 27 days, the outer layer of our skin completely renews itself. 18. Eyesight capacity. Our eyes can recognize about 10 million colors. 19. Sweat glands. Our body has about 2 to 4 million sweat glands. 20. Tongue prints. The prints on our tongue are unique, just like fingerprints. 21. There are about 37 trillion cells in the human body. 22. The heart beats about 100,000 times a day. 23. The acid produced in our stomach is strong enough to dissolve blades. 24. Our ears and nose continue to grow throughout our lives. 25. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons. 26. The human body is made up of 206 bones. 27. Our skin completely renews itself every 27 days. 28. The longest bone in our body is the thigh bone. 29. The human body contains about 37 trillion cells. 30. The weight of the human brain is approximately 1.4 kilograms. 31. The heart beats about 100,000 times a day. 32. Our skin completely renews itself every month. 33. The print of the tongue is unique for every person, like fingerprints. 34. There is enough iron in the human body to make a small nail. 35. Bones are 5 times stronger than steel. 36. Brain. Your brain is made up of 100 billion neurons, helping you think, remember, and learn. 37. Bones. At birth, our body has 270 bones, which fuse to 206 as we grow older. 38. Blood vessels. If all blood vessels were connected end to end, their length would be more than 100,000 kilometers. 39. Sweat. Your body has about 2 to 4 million sweat glands, which produce sweat to keep you cool. 40. Skin. Your skin is the largest organ of the body and renews every 27 days. 41. Blinking. On average, a person blinks 15,000 times a day. 42. Heart. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping around 7,500 liters of blood.